It's 5th of November 2018 and we are in the Andaman Islands. Well, we are right now at Diglipur. Yesterday we reached at around 9 p.m. The road conditions a little bad. So today right now it's 9:30 a.m. and we are standing at the jetty, the Ariel Bay jetty for Ross and Smith Island. We have arrived at Ross and Smith Island. It's a beautiful place. I mean, again, repeating my words, I feel so happy to be back here. Well, there are small huts kind of, as you see. You can rest there in the shade, and now let me show you the color of the water. Do you see that? Wow! Okay, and there's Arijit right there with his camera, and I am vlogging around this beautiful place. This is a coral. So that's the Smith Island. We crossed the sandbar and came to the Ross Island. You need to take an extra permit, which is rupees 75 for Indian nationals, and then come here. So here you have the Ross Island Wildlife Sanctuary. Ross and Smith Island, you are allowed to be here for 3 hours exactly. So our 3 hours are over. I did change into my swimwear and wanted to get into the water, but I got late. There are quite a few families and tourists here, so the changing room had a long queue, but by the time I could come out after changing, our time was up. So nevertheless, it's time for us to get back to the Ariel Bay jetty. It's low tide and the water has receded. You can see another sandbar has come out.
We next started for Rangat, where our stay for the night was booked. Don't forget to check out our Diglipur and Rangat stay videos and also our road trip to Diglipur from Port Blair, where we stopped at Para town for the limestone caves. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family and do subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye bye.